Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. So today I'm going to be doing a resin pour. Now, as you can see, these boards are already done. I poured on these boards, December of 2023. But I really wasn't happy with it, so I never went back to it. So let's go back to it today and see if I can improve on it. So I'm going to be using ArtResin, and my resin's already mixed up, so I'm just adding color to create my palette. And the first color is by Color Passion. It's called Exotic Teal. I was at Michael's and I saw these inks called, they're by Colorpore. So I thought I'd try them out today. This color I'm going to be using first is a transparent blue. And with resin, the more resin you have in the cup, the lighter the pigment will be. So if you want it darker, just add more pigment. If you want it lighter, just add more resin. The next color I'm going to be using is a transparent gold from Colorpore. And gold has a habit of taking over, and I'm going to be using two different golds. And I really didn't know what to expect with this gold because this is the first time I've used this product. So I just added just a few drops. I'll add a few more drops in there just to make it a little bit more pigmented. And the first pour, I chose to use pretty much transparent colors because I figure the first pour is going to hopefully give it a little bit of depth or interest. If I used opaque colors, it would be all, it would just cover it up. So I'm going with transparent colors. This is a gold again. And I'm going to add some mica to this gold from, I think it's called Mehron gold powder. And it is a floating gold. The last color I'm going to use is a transparent white. And with that, I'm going to add a little bit of powder to that mica for a little sparkle. From, I think it's called Unicon Art. Unicon Art. Yeah. These boards are 6 by 12 each. So whenever you're using pigments, you definitely should use a mask. Whenever I start a resin project, I always start on a wet surface. And the reason why you do that, one, it does help the resin move across the surface a little bit easier, but you're really trying to prevent the tension. So you just put the resin on it and just wipe it on the surface, and it does help. You tend to see the surface tension, in particular on the edges of the canvas as it goes over the side. When you start seeing it pull apart, that's what that is. And this first color is the Color Passion color, the exotic teal. And that's the transparent blue. And as you can see straight through it. And that's a transparent gold. That's my floating gold. And my sparkly white. At the end of the video, I will show you the dried results. I'll show you the dried results the actual dried results, and then I'll show you the dried results. Plus, I added a little bit of gold after the fact. It took me a couple of days to look at it to find out what I liked and didn't like. So I went ahead and added gold lines. So you'll see that as the final picture. Let me know which one you like, the one without the gold lines or the one with the gold lines. So before I start blowing the resin around, it's good, you have to heat the resin up. It's kind of like prepping it to be blown around. So you just heat the resin up and then you can start blowing the resin around. That also helps, that also busts a lot of the bubbles. So I'll be quiet, and I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you enjoy the music. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.